Hello students, exercise 1.5 question number 6. Given A is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 6n where n belongs to whole numbers and n is less than 6. So A oda elements எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா x is equal to 6n, x is equal to 6n where when n belongs to whole numbers and n is less than 6. You know already the whole number starts from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 3, etc. But here we need only less than 6. So we have to apply the values here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here n value is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can listing the elements of A. So A is equal to x is equal to 6n. So அப்ப 6 கூட இந்த n ஓட values multiply பண்ண போறோம். First 6 into 0 0, then 6 into 1 6, then 6 into 2 12, then 6 into 3 18, then 6 into 4 24, then 6 into 5 30. So these are the elements of A. Next we have to listing the element of B. So B is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2n where n belongs to natural numbers and where n is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 9. So இங்க n ஓட value என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா n is equal to, so n ஓட values greater than 2, 2 விட அதிகமா இருக்கணும், up to 9 வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். Also it must be in the natural numbers ல இருக்கணும். So the natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, etc. You know already. So now you have to apply the natural numbers in between the greater than 2 and up to 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up to 9 we have to apply in this condition. So now let us find the elements of B. So elements of B is equal to x is equal to 2n. So இலக்கற எல்லா n values-உம் 2 கூட multiply பண்ண போறீங்க. First 2 into n value is 3. So 2 3s are 6, then 2 into 4 8, then 2 into 3 பண்ணியாச்சு 4, then 2 into 5. So 2 5s are 10, then 2 into 6 12, then 2 into 7 14, then 2 into 8 16, then 2 into 9 18. So these are the elements of B. Next we have to listing the element of C. C is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 3n where n belongs to natural numbers and n is greater than or equal to 4 and less than 10. So n ஓட வேல்யூ பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க 10 விட கம்மியா இருக்கணும், 4 and 4 விட அதிகமா இருக்கணும். அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் எதுக்குள்ள இருக்கணும்? நேச்சுரல் நம்பர்ஸ்க்குள்ள இருக்கணும். You know already the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. So here need the n values 4 ல இருந்து 9 வரைக்கும். So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 வராது ஏன்னா here n is less than 10. So now we have to apply the values. So now we can listing the elements of C. So C is equal to set of all x is equal to 3n. So அப்ப இந்த n ஓட values 3 ஆல multiply பண்ண போறோம். First 3 into 4 12, then 3 into 5 3 5s are 15, then 6 into 3, that means 3 into 6 3 6 are 18, then 3 into 7 3 7s are 21, then 3 into 8 3 8s are 24, then 3 into 9 3 9s are 27. So these are the elements of C. So next we have to show that A difference of B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. You know it is an De Morgan's laws of set difference. It is the formula for De Morgan's laws of set difference. So now we have to verify this De Morgan's laws for set difference. So first we have to find the LHS. So left hand side we have to find out first. So from the left hand side first we have to find B intersection C. So B intersection C is equal to, first listing the elements of B. The elements of B are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then intersection elements of C. So 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So these are the elements of C. Now we have to write the common elements in the both sets. So ரெண்டுத்துல இருக்கிற common elements மட்டும் listing பண்ண போறோம். So அப்போ what are the common elements? என்னென்ன elements common இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So first 12 is common. So 12 ரெண்டுத்துலயும் common இருக்கு. Next 14 இல்ல, 16 இல்ல, 18 இருக்கு. So next 18 is the common. வேற ஏதாவது common இருக்கான்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வேற ஏதாவது common இல்ல. So these are only the common. So 12, 18 is the common elements in the B and C. So now we can find the LHS. That means A difference of B intersection C is equal to, first listing the elements of A. So elements of A are 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So these are the elements of A. Difference elements of B intersection C 12, 18. So A difference of B intersection C means the elements belongs to A but does not belongs to B intersection C. So A ல இருக்கிற elementsல எந்த elementsலாம் B intersection C ல இருக்கோ அதை மட்டும் விட்டுட்டு remaining element எழுத போறோம். அப்போ 12 18 so அதுல இருக்கு B intersection C ல இருக்கு. So அப்ப அதை விட்டுட்டு remaining elements மட்டும் எழுதிக்கலாம். So what are the elements? 0, 6, 24, 30. So take it as equation 1. Next we have to find the RHS, right hand side. In the RHS side, RHS first we have to find A difference B. So A difference B means first listing the elements of A. So elements of A are 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These are the elements of A. Difference elements of B. So elements of B are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So up to 18. So now you have to write the elements of A difference B. So A difference B means the elements belongs to A but does not belongs to B. So A ல இருக்கிற element எதுனா B ல இருந்தா அதை விட்டு remaining element எழுத போறோம். So let us check. So 0 அதுல எல்லாம் எழுதணும். அப்ப 6 இருக்கு. அப்ப 6 எழுத கூடாது. Then 12 இருக்கு. So அதையும் strike out பண்ண எழுத கூடாது. Then 18 இருக்கு. அதையும் விட்டுறணும். Then வேற எதுமே இல்ல. So but இதுல 14 16 எல்லாம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் எழுத கூடாது. நமக்கு தேவை the elements belongs to A but does not belongs to B. So A ல இருக்கிற elements எதுனா B ல இருந்துச்சுனா விட்டுட்டு remaining elements எழுத போறோம். So 0, 24, 30. So these are the elements of A difference B. So next we have to find A difference C. So A difference C is equal to, first listing the elements of A difference C. So elements of A are 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Difference elements of C. So elements of C are 12, 15, 18, elements of C 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So these are the elements of C. Now we have to find out the elements of A difference C. that means the elements belongs to A but does not belongs to C. So A ல இருக்கிற element எதனா C ல இருந்தா அதை விட்டுட்டு remaining element எழுத போறோம். So let us check. So 12 இருக்கு. So 12 விட்டணும். Then 18 இருக்கு ரெண்டுத்துலயும். அப்போ 18 விட்டணும். Then 24 இருக்கு. So 24 விட்டணும். Then 30 இல்ல, வேற எதுவுமே இல்ல. So 0 இல்ல, 6 இல்ல, 30 அதுல இல்ல. So அத அப்போ எழுதிக்கலாம். Now 0, 6, 30. So these are the elements of A difference B. So now we have to finally find out A difference B union A difference C. So A difference B union A difference C is equal to, first listing the element of A difference B. So elements of A difference B are 0, 24, 30. Then union elements of A difference C 0, 6, 30. Now we have tried all the elements together. And element சேர்த்து எழுத போறோம், யூனியன் பண்ண போறோம். So 0, then 6 order எழுதிக்கணும். Then 24, then 30. So let us take this equation 2. So now observe the equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 2 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். 0, 6, 24, 30, 0, 6, 24, 30. So from equation 1 and 2, A difference of B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. So ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. So therefore hence verified. So you know that this is the formula for De Morgan's laws for set difference. So there are two formulas, one of the formula. Okay, thank you students.